Hi, Vanessa Donaldson here, your reset coach. Today I'm talking about nature breaks. So get ready, set, slow. Slow down. Don't rush. Take a break with me. Doing the van life has taught me the value and importance of getting back to nature. How can nature inspire, connect, and guide you? My inspiration comes from the Holy Bible. When you experience anxiety, read Isaiah 41, verse 10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Is it time to recharge your life? To continue our conversation, you can reach me at resetwithvanessa.com.